Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in, and today we are going to be making a breakfast sandwich. I recently did a video on how to make English muffins, and a viewer commented, a K-Sam, and said, "This is McDonald's breakfast bread." Well, K-Sam, you are indeed right. McDonald's do use English muffins for their breakfast sandwiches, so I thought, hey, let's take my English muffins and my English sausage recipe and see if we can't make a sausage and egg breakfast muffin. Let's get cooking. Okay, so into a ripping hot cast iron pan, I've put some vegetable oil and I'm going to follow up with the sausage mix, and then I'm going to give it a very hard press down with that wide spatula. Now this is going to be cooked smash burger style, so it's going to cook super fast and develop a really nice tasty crust, but still be nice and moist on the inside. Now this sausage mix actually came from a recent video that I did on how to make traditional English bangers, and this is basically the leftover meat that was on the inside of the sausage stuffer. I will link to that video in the description and on a card above, and I'll also leave details for the sausage recipe in this video description too. Now after about 30 seconds this is going to be ready to flip. Push the spatula really hard down towards the pan so you don't leave any of that crust behind, and then we're just going to lay the cheese over the top, and this will continue to cook for about another 15 or 20 seconds. And then just slide the patty out of the pan and pop it on a tray to one side. And then we're going to give this pan a really good scrape just to remove any of that crust that might still be on there, because we're going to cook the egg directly in this ripping hot pan. So we're going to go in with some more vegetable oil and then crack the egg straight in. Okay, so no rings here. As we've done a smash burger, it's pretty thin, so we don't want some really big egg, so I prefer to cook it free-form. And after I've cracked it in, I'm just bringing the edges of the egg in until I get to the approximate size of the muffin that this is going to sit in. Now because this pan is so hot, obviously the egg's going to cook really, really quickly, and that means we're going to get a nice crust, some nice colour on the bottom of this egg, which is going to give us lots of flavour. Now as soon as you see that egg start to cook on the top, slide your spatula underneath and flip it over, and we're probably going to cook this for about another 10 to 15 seconds just to make sure it's nice and cooked on the top, and then we'll get it out of the pan and onto that tray to rest with the burger. And this is going to be sandwiched between a lightly toasted English muffin. Now I've just finished a video on this. I'll leave a link in the description, a card up above, and I'll also leave the ingredients list in this video description too. And that just leaves a quick polishing of butter and Dijon mustard, and then get the patty and the egg and the cheese in the middle, pop the lid on the top, and I'm going to tell you exactly what this tastes like. This has got an egg bomb in the middle of it, remember that. Oh wow. See the egg? The muffin's still lovely and soft, crispy on the top and the bottom from where it's been cooked in that cast iron pan. The sausage is still moist on the inside but crispy on the outside, so great texture. Wicked runny egg. This is an excellent sandwich. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button for future content, and I will see you again very soon. Stay tuned.